If you want to lose weight fast, creating a calorie deficit is the most important factor. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down the top 5 signs that you're in a calorie deficit. Number 5, hunger and fatigue. During a calorie deficit, levels of ghrelin, which is the hunger hormone, increases dramatically. This is going to lead to an increased desire to eat much more in order to restore the body to its set point. Fatigue happens when the calorie deficit is prolonged and you deplete all of your glycogen stores, which are basically your easy access energy stores in the muscles and the liver. And when these are all depleted, all your body has left is fat and muscle, which are not the preferred sources of energy. Sign number 4, the mirror in photos. Comparing weekly photos is a good way to track your progress. As you get leaner, you'll notice more definition, especially in fat, stubborn areas like the belly, face, and lower back. And this leads to sign number 3, which is loose fitting clothes. People almost never change their clothes. Think about it. When was the last time you bought a smaller pant size? The longer your deficit continues, the more loose your clothes will become. Pants will start to sag, your shirt will become too loose, and your belt buckle will need adjustments. Pay attention to a sudden need to change your clothes size to accommodate the changes to your body weight. And this leads to number 2, one of the biggest indicators of a calorie deficit, which is a decreasing trend in body weight. The weight scale is a fantastic indicator of a calorie deficit as it tracks total body weight, which includes both lean body mass and water weight. Weight typically fluctuates between 1 to 2 pounds above baseline per day, so a noticeable downward trend for 3 days straight is a good indicator that you are in a calorie deficit. And this is going to lead us to our number 1 indicator of a calorie deficit, which is a decreasing trend in body fat percentage and waist. A decreasing body fat percentage is a fantastic metric for a calorie deficit. Unlike weight that measures total body weight, including water and lean body mass, body fat percentage only tracks body fat, and it is unaffected by water weight changes. A downward, consistently decreasing trend of body fat percentage is highly indicative of a calorie deficit. Body fat percentages can be tracked with weight calipers or DEXA scan, and the latter of which is much more expensive. So in summary, the top signs that you are in a calorie deficit are decreasing trends in both body fat percentages and daily weight trends week to week. Well, thank you all for stopping by. That concludes it for the video. If you're serious about tracking your own weight loss changes, I would highly recommend the digital Bluetooth weight scale. It tracks everything automatically. You simply step on it and it logs on your information without the need for a notebook. Link is in the description. Thank you all for stopping by again. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.